Today I'm going to show you how to check the oil on a Frontier RC2048 brush hog. Up top here you'll see the oil fill port, and on the side you'll see the oil check port. You'll also see in the corner that I have my professional phone tripod set up and ready for recording. We'll go ahead and remove this top port just to get an idea of how much oil is in here by shining a flashlight down into it. That'll show us if it's just like super overfilled. Before we take the check port off, you'll also see that there's a bunch of gunk all around it, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that all up as well. So I looked down inside and could see that it wasn't super overfilled or anything like that, so now we'll go ahead and remove the check port to make sure that it's at the proper oil level and just get a general idea of how the oil looks. In my case, as you can see here, it was just slightly overfilled enough to come out, weep a little bit, I think they call it, but not too bad, and the oil looked really good, so I went ahead and left it.